Selling multi-packs or bundled products is a great way to earn extra profit when selling on Amazon. With multi-packs, you're combining multiple of the same product into a single unit, and then with a bundle, you're combining different products into a single unit. But what you may not have realized is just how much extra profit these types of items can make you. So that's why in today's video, we're going to be going through the right way to sell bundles and multi-pack deals if you're doing Amazon FBA. So if you are watching this video, and welcome back to the Profitl channel, it's likely you're already selling on Amazon and you're looking to earn some extra profit doing so. And what I'm showing you today with multi-packs and bundle deals is a great way to earn this extra profit. And as always, we'll be showing you some actual product you could potentially sell using these methods. Amazon is a very competitive marketplace, so you need to be thinking outside of the box to earn those sales. So if you just sell your normal standard single product, it is going to be a lot harder to become successful. So what exactly are multi-pack and bundle deals? Well, first up, we'll go through multi-packs and then we'll go into bundles. And as I mentioned, we'll be showing some actual products so you'll get a really good understanding of how they do work. So multi-packs are the most straightforward one. You're basically buying multiple of the same item and you're combining them into one single unit. So let me show you a couple of examples. So as we're heading towards Christmas, I thought this product would be a great one to show you, as it's this milk chocolate advent calendar from Cadbury, which we can buy for £1.85 each. Now, let me show you what a pack of 2 of these sells for on Amazon. So 2 of these is selling for £8.79. So what we do with this item is we'd buy multiples of these products, we'd package them into a single unit. So one of these units is going to cost us £3.70, and then we're going to sell it on Amazon for £8.79. Now, what does that actually mean profit-wise? So let me show you using the Profitl Chrome extension. So after all of our fees are taken into account, it would give us a 31% return on investment, £1.17 profit per month. But look at these sales, between 180 up to 370 sales every single month. And there are tons of items out there just like this. So let me show you another one. And this one is a beauty item. So this is on the website Superdrug, and it's this body oil cocoa. We can buy one of these for £5.49, but there is actually a deal on, so it's 2 for £8 at the moment. But let me show you what a pack of 2 sells for on Amazon, £14.14. So that means our single unit cost is going to be £8, and we're going to be selling it for £14.14 each. Now you might be wondering why people would actually bother to combine them into a single unit. Why would they bother to combine them and make them into a multi-pack? Why do they not just sell them singly? Well, let me show you the exact reason on this product. So as I say, pack of 2 selling on Amazon, £14.14, and yes, people are really buying it. I know it's very expensive. People do pay extra just because they get that Prime badge. But if we also head on to Amazon, we can see a pack of 1 is selling for £2.90. So people are paying £14.14 for a pack of 2. You can be selling a pack of 2 for £14.14 or a pack of 1 for £2.90. So of course, it's a no-brainer, and this is why you always want to be thinking outside the box and why it's such a great way to earn extra profit. For some reason, people love a multi-pack on Amazon. They think they're getting a great deal. Now I've run you through what multi-packs are. Let's explain what bundles are. So bundles are very similar. You're combining multiple products. The difference is they're multiple different products. And a prime example is on this product on Amazon. It's this Toblerone 2-pack. You get a milk chocolate and you get a white chocolate. And this is currently selling for £19.09. Yes, I know it is quite expensive, but people are buying it. Now, if we head over to Sainsbury's, we can see we can buy each of these for £3.50 each with a Nectar card. So that means our unit cost is going to be £7. We're going to combine them into a single one to get this unit cost, and then we're going to be selling it for £19.09. So what does that actually mean for us profit-wise? Well, this one has got a fantastic profit, so 86% return on investment, and it will give us £6.18 profit for every single one we sell. Now, of course, we're going to get competition. The price will likely drop. Nobody is arguing that. But the nice thing about items like this is that a lot of other sellers can't be bothered to do this. They don't want to have to buy different items. They don't want to combine them into a single unit. They just want to sell single products. So you'll often find your competition is going to be less on items like this. So you've seen how multi-pack and bundle items work, but what's the best way to actually sell them? That's what we're talking about next. But before we do this, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code for our YouTube customers. If you don't know what Profitl is, we are an Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer, which is a mobile app and a Chrome extension. We have our DealFinder, which is our portal of thousands of potential Amazon FBA deals, wholesale scanner, the most amazing Discord community, and so much more. But we'll make the discount code pop up just here. That's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans. Yearly plans already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down if you are looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So you've got two main ways of selling multi-pack or bundle deals. You're going to either sell on pre-existing listings, which are already made, or you can create your own bundles and multi-packs. Now, if you are starting out on this, we'd 100% recommend sell on pre-existing listings. And what I mean by this, it just means somebody else has already made this product. You don't need to make it. And the main reason for this is because you can actually analyze the data easily. You can see how much the item is selling. You can see how much it's been selling for. So you do have some insight to how popular the product is, because without this information, there is a chance you're going to get stuck with this item and they may not sell. And then as well as this, it just means you can get a good understanding of how the whole process with selling multi-packs and bundles work, because as with anything with Amazon FBA, there's a very high chance you're going to make mistakes doing it. So if you can minimize your risk, that is the best thing to be doing. Now, just as a quick disclaimer, if selling on pre-existing listings, you do need to be very careful about IP complaints. If you don't know what an IP complaint is, it means an intellectual property complaint, and it's like a copyright violation. The brand owner has reported you for selling products when you're not allowed to be doing so. And the reason why you have to be careful of this is because some sneaky sellers will create listings using their own brand, which they own the copy for, even though the actual brand is for something else. So the brand might be Toblerone, for example, but they'll put the brand down as a brand which they own the copyright for. When you then start selling on it, they're going to report you to Amazon, and you don't actually have a leg to stand on, because technically you are selling on their brand. So that is something you do need to be careful of, and that goes throughout all of Amazon FBA as well. If you did want to sell your own bundles and multi-packs and create listings, you can of course do this, and it does reduce the risk of IP complaints, but there are some other things you do need to be very careful of. When creating listings on Amazon, you're going to have zero history on that listing. No reviews, no sales, no nothing. And therefore you need to generate sales in order to start to get this interest, but it is very, very hard to do. And most people have to spend money on adverts in order to generate interest on their listing, which of course, when doing arbitrage or wholesale, margins are tight already. So you don't really want to be spending money on adverts when other people can also then just jump on your listing as well. So although this can be a great method, please just be careful if you are creating your own listings. It's going to take you a lot longer to generate sales, and that means your items are also going to be stuck in Amazon's warehouse for a lot longer, so this is going to cost you more money as well. So there you have it. That is how you sell multi-pack and bundle deals on Amazon. We hope you found it interesting. Any questions you have for us, please let me know in the comments. I do try and read all your comments, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. We post out Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. We also post loads of shorts. All of our social links can be found in the description. You'll also find the discount codes below there as well. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.